Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel together with me, Mr. John. Today we would like to learn a new thing, but it is not related to the teaching learning, but related to my workshop and seminar together with some of international lecturers, some of inspiring lecturer from SONA groups, okay, from SONA Technology College from India. And then this workshop is managed by a great moderator from India, that is Mr. Ravi Makhija. Thank you very much, Mr. And then, what is the theme for the material is related to enhancing online interaction, okay, for learning management tools and language skill. These workshops from TIE UPS International. It is a representative of SONA groups in Indonesia, and then it's organized by Mr. Rafi Magija. And then in the first day of workshop, Mr. John learned from a great speaker, a lecturer, assistant professor in departments of computer science and engineering, SONA College of Technology in Salem, Tamil Nadu, India. That is Dr. J. Dhayanithi. Before starting that workshop, uh, here's a great quotation from Tripul Fulfa that is called Learn what is to be learned with no flaws. Once learned, stand by what you learn. Remember, stand by what you learn. That is a very great wise word from Dr. J. Dhayanithi. And then he had explained some of material related to uh, how to be a good teacher, especially for distant learning like this. The first one is related to effective teaching, usually combines of several approaches or multisensory instruction. And then he quote from Reeves 1992 says that the student you retain that if you then only read, so you only get 10% of knowledge. If you hear it, just hear it, so all of you only get 20%. If you see it, so you get 30%. If you see and hear it, so you get 50% of knowledge from the teacher. If you you say it, so you get 70%. If you read, hear, see, and then say and do, so you get 90%. Okay, that is important. Okay, and then at that time, Dr. Dhayanithi gave me some of learning management tools for a teacher, so that we can teach better. And then at that time, there are Tito and then also Easy LMS and the other. But and that seminar, Dr. Dhayanithi gave me a great knowledge related to how to apply Moodle. Okay, Moodle is an open source learning management system. And then at that workshop, Mr. Dhayanithi gave me explanation related to Moodle and also how to upload users, how to create course, content delivery, in-class quiz and conducting quiz, assignment and S5P and programming assessment. In the next semester, maybe it's very interesting for us to try to practice it Moodle, okay, as a LMS. And then for day 2, the speaker is a beautiful lecturer from English department from SONA College of Technology, Salem, Tamil Nadu, India, that is located there in India. The lecturer, Dr. Saraswathy, gave me a teaching English online is a great platform for teachers. So give me some of platforms and also applications. Okay, start with the components of speaking. She has taught me related to components of speaking. Start from pronunciation and also how to pronounce plural nouns, vocabulary building, how to make a good intonation, and also the stress. And at that time, Mr. Also gave me some of application, English application, and then maybe would like to I try to apply it. Start with howjc and entering.com, Richard English and etc. Teaching English organization. I think there are some very interesting application for us, and we should try it. Okay. Next, in the third day, I got a new material, soft skill for online teaching from a lecturer, a doctor guy from SONA College of Technology from India. She is Dr. Gayathiri. Gayathiri inspired me as teacher. She said that one child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. So you and me and book and also this online system can change the world too. Okay? And say that learning is a celebration. Means that we are learning now. I am teaching, you are learning, and not only teach subject but also make a learning interesting and fun. Not only impart knowledge but to make students skill. So if you want to learn English, make sure that learning English is celebration. That is not only a subject but how to make it interesting for you, and then after that how to make you skilled in English. Okay. Okay, I would like to share what is the difference between hard skill and soft skill, especially for learning English. The first one is related to hard skill. Teachable abilities or skill sets that are easy to quantify. Means that hard skill is related to proficiency in foreign language like English, a degree or certificate, typing speed, machine operation, and computer programming. So hard skill is related to the English and also the abilities. Okay, the skill. Okay. How about the soft skill, known as people skill or interpersonal skill? Interpersonal. So, if you want to be a good in English, so you have to learn about hard skill, the material or the language itself, and also the soft skill, how to have a good interpersonal skill, so you can have a good communication, flexibility, leadership, teamwork, and also time management. And this is the objective for teacher in online teaching. Instead, I have to help you acquire knowledge, help you become competent, instruct you in high moral standard, be an example. I hope so, like that. Inspire and also motivate, help in shaping the student. So basically, in online teaching and also learning, we have to shape all the students, and now we have a good character, means that character building. Also, there are some skills to focus on during online classes. The first one is communications, leadership, planning, patience, and empathy, adaptability. Especially in this era, we should have a good adaptability, and also cultural awareness, relationship building, teamwork, problem solving, and the last one is critical thinking. Okay, this is the picture shows how the teacher have a relationship building. So let's just make a good relationship building, especially in this online teaching learning. Okay, teamwork, help students to understand the teamwork, teach them to work harmoniously in a team. I hope all of you can have a good harmoniously in a team, help them meet common goals, and lead by examples. We know exactly that I'm as a teacher has to make a class interesting. Let's just make it into an example, and you are a good example too. Encourage student interaction, create future leaders, and be approachable. As a teacher, we should always remember that you as a student can learn, just not on the same day but in the same way. Okay, because this is online learning. And then this is a good quotation. I wasn't born to just teach, I was born to inspire others. You were born not only to study, but also you have to inspire others too. Okay, next. This is the implementation in my teaching learning process. 1. Using some of application I got from the workshop. practicing some English teaching pedagogy, and also applying some skills on online teaching, making some assessment techniques based on the application, and then maintaining the spirit of teaching is a celebration. Okay. Okay, and then after that, I would like to say my big thanks to Mr. Ravi Makhija from E IE UPS International, and also the lecturer from SONA College of Technology, some Tamil Nadu, India. They are Dr. J. Dhayanithi, Dr. Paramasivam, Dr. Saraswathy, and Dr. Gayathiri, who have explained and also inspired me so much related to how to be a good teacher for especially in this online and distant learning. I'm Tarcisius Joni Prasetya, WSPD, from SMA Negeri 1 Kota Menggit, Magelang, Central Java, is waiting for the next workshop together with SONA College of Technology in India, and also maybe the scholarship for my beloved student in SMA Negeri 1 Kota Menggit from SONA College of Technology in India. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.